so good. Yes, you are. You did so good, girl. Really? Yes, good girl. Okay, we're gonna give level 2 a shot, which means I set her up over here. I'm gonna walk away from her, put some treats on that. I'm gonna blind cross, and then once I get here, I'll start running a little bit, release her, and see if she actually takes the jump and comes to me, or will she choose the treats first. Let's see. Wait. Wah, wah, wah. We have failed the level 2. That's okay, it kind of went how I thought it was gonna go. Lily, let's try it again, baby. Wait. Look, look. Alright, I tried it a second time only because I'm a total sucker, and I almost had her. She almost did the jump for me without choosing the cookies. I tried to make more eye contact with her when I said release as I was running, but she has fallen to the treats. Bella! It's your turn, girl. You want to give this a go? Yep, we are nowhere near ready for level 2. But Bella, I'm proud of you. On your second try for level 1, you totally got it. Good girl. Yep. Should we let Crazy Gracie try this? Just for funs? Woohoo! Nice job, my babies. Until next time.